What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video here, and with this video I will be sharing with you how to earn your first $150 with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Rafael. Welcome. And I talk about how to make money online. I talk about affiliate marketing, and I teach you the latest strategies that you need to know in order for you to make a great income for yourself. Okay, so I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you are interested in that. Okay, now with that out of the way, I'm going to share with you step by step on how to make $150 with affiliate marketing. Okay, now this is going to start off with finding a product. Okay, so what affiliate marketing is, basically all we are doing is finding someone else's product and we are promoting it through social media or through a website or through an ad. And if someone purchases using our link, we are going to get paid. So we're basically like a middleman, and offer people, we help encourage them to purchase something based on giving them valuable information about the product, or sharing with them how this product can benefit them. Okay, so we're basically like a salesman for the company. Okay, and what we're going to be doing is we are first going to find a product. Now this can be a physical product or it can be a digital product. Okay, and the way you can find a digital product is usually going to be a course, or it could be a PDF, or it could be something along the lines of it's digital and it's not tangible. It's not like I can sell a microphone or like a camera. Okay, and the most popular platforms where you can find products to promote is Amazon and ClickBank. So if you come over here to Amazon has a wide variety of products that you could promote, and you can go ahead and do that for yourself and figure out what you want to promote. Okay, so I highly encourage you guys to promote products that are on the higher end side, so they're more expensive. That way you get a higher commission. Okay, so cameras, laptops, expensive equipment like that, you're going to get a higher commission if you promote those products. So that way I encourage you to promote those types of products. Okay, now if you want to promote digital products, this is something like a course or a PDF or a training, a video training. Come over to ClickBank, and with ClickBank there is hundreds of products that you can promote in all different kinds of niches. Okay, whether that be health and fitness, cooking, green products. There you can promote self-help products. Okay, now pick a niche that you're interested in. Okay, something that you have somewhat of an interest. It could be a hobby. Okay, but you want to have some type of interest, because you won't stick to it if you don't have any interest in your product that you're promoting, and then that you don't believe in. Okay, so a great example is if you're using a certain type of health product, if you're using a supplement or a workout fitness program, that could be something that you could promote to your followers on a social media platform. Okay, so if you're taking like some type of supplement for your fitness, or if you took a yoga class, a virtual yoga class, you can promote that to your subscribers or to your followers with your affiliate link. Okay, so now once you have found your product, okay, you know what niche you're in, you understand a little bit more about what you are going to be promoting, you are going to start promoting. Okay, start promoting your affiliate link on social media. Okay, so with Amazon, how you get your link is you find the product. So let's go here to the Echo. Okay, and we come up here to the top to get link, and this is once you have submitted an application in order to apply for the Amazon Associates platform, which usually takes 2 weeks to get approved, and it's actually very simple to sign up. Okay, so here is our affiliate link. Okay, and this is the way you're going to promote this product here. This is just an example here. If you're promoting a camera, go find the camera that you want to promote and you will get your link here. But if you're promoting a product on ClickBank, you're going to find the product you want here. So for example, let's do this human anatomy course. You're going to come over here to promote, and you can put a tracking ID or nickname for your link, and here is the affiliate link that you can promote now. Okay, and you are going to find a platform that you are most comfortable with. Okay, so if you're comfortable with Facebook, if you'd like to post daily updates on your news feed, go with Facebook. Okay, and build up your following there. Or if you like Instagram, if you like pictures, go ahead and choose Instagram for that. But I highly recommend, if you're going into affiliate marketing, that you choose YouTube. Okay, video marketing is very powerful because you get to see who you are dealing with, right? So if I'm creating a video, I get to interact with you guys through video, and you get to see me and see who I am. Okay, and so I think YouTube is the best way to go if you're promoting affiliate products. Okay, that way you can connect with your audience a little bit better than other social media platforms. Okay, and also there's a bunch of other benefits also of using YouTube, and that is you can make money eventually with AdSense, and you can get partnerships. But yeah, YouTube is definitely the way to go if you are going to be an affiliate marketer. Okay, so once you have done that, guys, okay, so once you have found your product, okay, and you found your niche, and you found the platform where you're going to be promoting your product on, you're going to create content around the product that you're promoting. Okay, so this could be reviews, it could be tutorials, it could be unboxings. Okay, that's very popular on YouTube, actually showing the product if you have a physical product. But if you have a digital product, you can create reviews around the product. You can create, a testimonial around the product and add your affiliate link. There's hundreds of ways you can promote your affiliate link on your social media that you choose. Okay, and it's that simple, guys. That is going to be how you make your first $150 with affiliate marketing. Okay, this is my free method. Okay, obviously this will take some work. Okay, it will take some time building up your channel, but if you want to accelerate results, I definitely recommend that you use paid traffic. Okay, paid advertising. You use Facebook advertising, or you use Google ads, and I actually have a video which you can go and click now, and that will teach you how to promote an affiliate product on Facebook ads. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this video here, and hopefully this made sense to you guys on how to make your first $150. It's actually very simple, guys. So go ahead and get started. Implement these tips that I shared with you today, and you will get results. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Rafael, and I will see you in the next video.